In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange tabs in Obsidian. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, you'll need to open Obsidian on your device, and then open the specific vault where you want to organize your notes. Once your vault is open, go ahead and open several notes, making sure each one appears in its own separate tab along the top of your workspace. Take a moment to look at the current order of these open tabs and identify which notes you'd like to move to create a more logical flow. Now, to move a tab, simply click and hold down on the tab you want to rearrange. Keep that mouse button pressed down as you begin to move your cursor. You'll then drag this tab left or right across the tab bar, and as you do, you'll notice a placement indicator appear, showing you where it will land. Carefully drag the tab to your desired location, perhaps aligning it next to other related notes for better context. Once it's where you want it, simply release the mouse button and you'll see the tab move to its new position. You can repeat this process for any other open notes you wish to reposition. The goal here is to create logical groups. For instance, you might want to place all notes related to a specific project right beside each other, or keep your most frequently used notes closer to the front for quick access. Obsidian also allows you to move a tab to a new pane, creating a split view. To do this, drag a tab away from the current tab bar and move it toward another area of your workspace. Watch for the drop indicator, which will highlight the possible pane placements. Choose where you want this new pane to appear, and then release the tab in that desired location. Obsidian will then create a split view, and you can adjust the panes if necessary to make sure each note is easy to view. After you've rearranged your tabs, take a moment to test your new navigation. Click between your tabs to confirm that this new arrangement truly supports your workflow. For your most important notes, you can even pin them. Just right-click on an important tab and select Pin to keep it readily available. Remember, you can reorder tabs within a pane at any time as your priorities change, keeping your active work front and center. Finally, review your open notes and close any tabs you no longer need to maintain a clean workspace. By organizing tabs by project and maintaining an efficient workspace, you'll significantly reduce the time spent searching for files and keep your Obsidian experience smooth and productive.